I'm Dr. O.P. Mishra, Director, National Center for Seismology, Ministry of Earth Sciences, New Delhi. Solid earth hazards is one of the challenging topic for both India and its neighboring country. And today, for last 2 days, we are doing the joint workshop. And we know that India is very strong in dealing all the issues of the solid earth hazards consisted of the earthquake, landslide, tsunamis, and also there was the earthquake induced landslides or the precipitation or rain-fed induced landslides. Many aspects we are taking, even the coastal hazards related to solid earth sciences, we are looking into that. And we have a lot of the advancement in the seismological monitoring of the country by installing 152 stations all over the country depending on the seismogenic and seismotectonic setups. And we are thinking that how we can able to develop the new technology of the data observation as well as its processing and interpretation to give a new idea or new technology, low cost solution. And we feel that each and every aspects which is dealing with the earthquake risk resilient structures, how can we make up, and how we can avert the landslide risk in the prevailing areas in the mountains, and also in the part where there is no mountain, even the peninsular part there was the landslide part taking place. So I think the need of the landscape of the country is to develop a holistic program for solid earth hazards to de-risk the risk of the solid earth hazards, and that is the main motto. And we are taking all the wealth of the data so far we collected, and also the best brains of the analytics, big data analytics we are doing. The scope of geosciences is very prospective in sense that the lot of the research groups pursuing the geoscientific studies consisted of the several tools to study as earth system science. And I feel that the seismology and geosciences has a very good lead because it is the nascent science of the last 100 years, and we feel that day by day the geoscientific research is taking a new shape because the advent of new tools means observation systems, sensors are developing, several robust computational technique is being developed. So we are refining our own analysis, own data, and we are going to generate for the safety of the people. So I feel that the diagnose the solid earth hazards problem using the geoscientific tool is one of the important tasks. Just like I am telling that we have the tool like seismic tomography, which is just a CT scan of the earth. So we can use the seismology as a deepest probing tool to find out what is going on inside the earth and how it was manifested to earth. So this type of the technology borrowed from the medical technology, now using the geoscientific tools to find out actually the almost all causative factors that is leading to the disastrous events. So prospects is very bright, and young minds and young brains are coming. We are also invigorating the students, young minds of the students to come to geoscientific research through our outreach program. And I think this joint workshop is an opportunity to exercise the concept of whatever the potential areas of the India, and what was the gap area of the India, what is the potential area of UK, what is potential area and the gap area of the UK. We can sit together and develop a joint collaborative project so that we can able to help the people. We can make the system risk resilient so that recurrence losses of the lives as well as the economic losses can be averted. So in every aspect it is an integrated science, and you know that it is allowing the entry of the almost all scientific group, even the social scientists also, because we wanted to propagate our scientific ideas to the people, to the public through a social scientist. So community based planning of dissemination of knowledge is taking place. So we can involve the computer engineer, also our data sensor of the electronics engineers, we have the geologist, we have the geophysicist, we have also the communication engineers. So many aspects we are able to involve into it. Paleoclimatic study, because climate is changing, so how the climate changing has impact on the solid earth hazards. We are taking all the issues. So prospect is very bright and it is very challenging. That's why the people are coming forward to resolve the issue which remain addressed till today.